Page 156, theme from March Slav, very famous melody. And here we get a transposing for an F instrument. So we've had B-flat instruments and E-flat instruments. I don't know if we've had any others or not, I can't remember. But an F instrument. When an F instrument plays a C, it comes out as an F, lower F, on piano. So they will see a C up here on the staff, they show it, and it comes out here. So it is a perfect fifth below what they see in the music. So when you see music here, and you say, oh, this is French horn music, so when they see that G, it's going to come out a perfect fifth below that G here, which is here. You got to kind of somehow make all of these a perfect fifth below where the note is. So it's here. Here. Now, as far as the key signature goes, it's the same thing. The key signature is going to be whatever is a perfect fifth below. This is written in C major, the music itself. So if we take a perfect fifth down, we get to F. So we have to play in the key of F major. That's one flat. So we're going to play all white keys except for the B flats. They're automatic. If we have accidentals, it just takes up a half step from whatever note we're playing. That's a sharp. That's accidental. Okay. So a G is here. And the A is here. Then here. And then. Now, look at measure 2. Can you see those three notes are all on lines? Can you see that they're a third apart? An interval of a third apart, because they're all on lines. When you catch these things in music, it makes it easier, because when you're transposing, you just go down third, go down a third. If I'm going to see go down a third, go down a third, and you're there. So it's here. Then up an octave here, and then go down a second, and then down a third. Remember, it's a B flat now. Then up a second. Down a third, and then up. Now raise this note instead of a B flat, it's a B natural. That's all we did. Second line, now we have an F here, which is a natural. Now it's a B flat. They don't need the natural sign, they can just say it as a B flat. It's not a B natural, it's a B flat. It's an F natural because they just had F sharps, so it's just regular. Down a second, up a second, up a third, and now it's up a fourth, because that's a C and this is, okay. And then raise that note a second, a half step. Now it's a regular C. They don't need the natural sign, it's all right. And then it's an F. So we transpose it down a perfect fifth from wherever it's written. Every note has to be a perfect fifth below the note in the music. It's like in the accidentals. Let's measure, 11. We're here. The note is a C. We go down a fifth. And then here, and then that is a third. So I got to stay within a perfect fifth. That's a perfect fifth. Here, and then A is. So each note is a perfect fifth part. So we get confused. French horn players will just transpose it. They do it so much. You give them a music and concert key, and they'll transpose it to French horn. It's amazing how well they do that, because they get a lot of practice at it. The rest of us who don't play French horn have to think, now which is this? Am I going up or am I going down? Which is going where? Because in intervals you have to be careful, because depending on which direction you're going, it's a different interval. Because if I say go down play these notes, well, if I go down, that's a fifth. But if I play it up here, that's a fourth. So am I going down a fifth or up a fourth, or am I going up a fifth and down a fourth? And we get all confused on that. Just remember the French horn plays sounds lower than the pitch shown. So you go down a fifth from C to F. Yeah, and whatever key you're in. I've been confused on this a few times.